Addressing the client's autonomic nervous system, the sympathetic nervous system, with our feathering strokes, our aura gliding, our energy field interaction. In other words, we are now going to address specifically the shoulders, the upper traps, for example, the neck muscles, posterior, and the lateral muscles as well, the SCM, the upper traps, and the deeper muscles underneath, before actually focusing on the head. Now, in order for the face being an entity consisting of the skin, fascia, and muscles, to be richly fed by nutrition, the nutrients and oxygen, for the nerves to function well, we need to open up other gate points, other acupressure points, starting with the shoulders and then moving to the actual neck. And what we're going to do first is we are going to address the upper trap, and then we're also going to address the area behind the SCM, alongside the SCM, and the upper trap, going a little bit deeper into the splenic muscles, and hopefully into the more longissimus area, and around the areas of the traditional trigger points that refer pain. One way of doing this is, first of all, addressing the shoulder, and here we're using thumb pressure, using the pad of the thumb, but not the point, because we don't want to injure the thumb. If we use the thumb pressure like this, we actually transfer the energy through the radial side of the arm, whereas if we fixate on a point, just using the point of a finger or thumb, that energy can just get stuck in the actual joint itself. And we're going to press straight towards the feet, towards the end of the table. So the pressure is going to be horizontal. That's the direction of the force. I'm just going to demonstrate. Fingers anchor the whole hand, okay? So I'm going to press in perpendicular, and I'm going to look for 5 points of contact, depending on the breadth of the shoulder. I can do this through the clothing quite comfortably. My last point, it's just where the acromion processes. There's a little hollow over here. This is the acromion, and right over here is where the supraspinatus is. So let's create some flow, some rhythm. I'll move my body into the person. It looks like this stuff I'm using a lot of force, but that's not necessarily so. On the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest amount of pressure, how is my pressure?